Hi everyone! Sight, smell, and sound are part of everyday life. But in places like theme parks where everything is louder, brighter, and busier, these senses can become overwhelming. For children who are autistic, have ADHD, or otherwise neurodivergent, too much sensory input can lead to sensory overload. So, how can we recognize this and what can we do to help? Let's start with sight. Bright lights, flashing effects, and chaotic visuals can be extremely overstimulating. This might lead to signs of distress or withdrawal. Here are some common behaviors you might notice when a child is overwhelmed by visual input: covering eyes or squinting, trying to escape from the area completely, meltdowns or irritability, freezing or becoming unresponsive, trouble focusing, increased anxiety or panic, especially around fireworks or flashing lights. Children with sensory processing differences often experience more intense or unfiltered input. Their brains may take in too much visual info at once, have trouble tuning out distractions, struggle to integrate what they see with how they feel. These aren't bad behaviors, they're signals that the child is overwhelmed and trying to protect themselves. Here are evidence based strategies to help regulate visual input. Wear sunglasses or tinted glasses. Skip visually intense attractions like fireworks or 3D rides. Take breaks in quiet, natural settings like gardens or shaded spots. Keep hotel rooms or rest areas clutter free. Use visual supports like photos of park entrances or a social story ahead of time. Offer eye rest. So, even if it's like a few minutes with eyes closed, that can help tremendously. Use tools like fidget toys or visual games like I Spy and Long Lines. Bring portable activities like mazes or puzzles for downtime. Educating yourself on strategies and supporting your child with SPD is one thing, but have you ever thought about which attractions might be too overwhelming and which ones could be just right? Many theme parks, including Walt Disney World, Disneyland, Universal Studios, and Legoland, offer sensory guides to help families plan ahead. These tools give insight into which attractions may have intense visual, auditory, or motion based elements, and which ones are more calming or predictable. Here are some attractions known for strong visual effects, such as flashing lights, 3D projections, or rapid motion. These may be difficult for children with visual sensitivities. And here are attractions that typically offer gentle visual experiences, making them more accessible for kids with visual sensitivities. Using sensory guides and previewing these experiences ahead of time can help reduce surprises and increase confidence for your child. Sight is just one part of the sensory puzzle. In our next section, we'll explore how smell can affect the sensory experience and how to build a supportive plan for your family. Theme parks are full of strong and unpredictable smells like popcorn, fried foods, sunscreen, perfumes, or even smoke from fire effects. For kids with sensory sensitivities, these intense scents can quickly become overwhelming and distressing. Here are some common signs a child may be experiencing smell related overstimulation in a theme park: covering their nose or turning their head away, gagging or saying things that smell gross or too strong, refusing to enter certain rides, restaurants, or areas, meltdowns or sudden mood changes, shutting down, becoming quiet or unresponsive, increased anxiety in food courts, near snack stands, or around ride effects with smoke or scented elements. Children with sensory processing differences often experience smells more intensely or have trouble filtering out strong odors. Their brains may detect and react strongly to smells others can barely notice, struggle to identify the source of the scent, causing confusion or distress, and connect certain smells to discomfort even if others find them more pleasant. Bring a comfort scent like a favorite lotion, essential oil on a cotton ball, or a smell they associate with calm. Use a face mask, light scarf, or fan to filter out overwhelming odors. Avoid high smell zones like food courts and water ride queues when needed. Take sensory breaks in open air, low traffic areas. Let your child opt out of activities or areas that feel too intense. Offer distractions or tools like fidget toys, calming visuals, or music to ground them. Introduce common theme park smells gradually at home or before your trip. Use scented candles, food items, or scent strips. Play a scent identification game. Let your child guess or describe different smells to build awareness and vocabulary. Teach clear communication phrases like, I don't like this smell because I do like this scent. It reminds me of. This encourages your child to explore their preferences in a safe and supportive way. Some attractions feature strong scents, like buttery popcorn, sugary treats, baked goods, themed smells like musty caves or bromine from water rides, or even operational fumes. These smells can be overwhelming for children with smell sensitivities. Here are a few attractions where intense odors might be present. Attractions with minimal or no strong scent exposure, no food heavy areas, minimal use of water treatments, or artificial scents tend to be more comfortable for kids who are sensitive to smells. Consider these options for a more sensory friendly experience. Theme parks are full of loud, unpredictable sounds, from ride launches and crowd noise to music, fireworks, public announcements, and sudden sound effects. For children with sound sensitivities, these noises can be overwhelming and even distressing. Here are common behaviors you might notice when a child is overwhelmed by auditory input: covering ears or humming to block out sound, crying or yelling in noisy environments, trying to leave suddenly or hide behind someone, freezing, zoning out, or becoming nonverbal, increased irritability or meltdowns, avoiding certain areas like parades or loud attractions. Children with sensory processing differences often hear sounds more intensely or struggle to filter out background noise. Their brains may take in too many sounds at once, have trouble tuning out loud or unexpected noises, feel startled by sudden sounds, even if they're a part of a show or an attraction. Noise canceling headphones can be a game changer. Make it fun. If you're heading to Disney, you can even add Mickey ears on top. Go early or stay late, so when crowds are smaller and the environment is quieter. Plan ahead or leave during the loudest parts of the day, like parades or firework shows. Find quiet spaces to take breaks. Many parks have shaded, low traffic areas away from the noise. Visit quieter parks. For example, in Walt Disney World, Animal Kingdom, which offers calming nature sounds and peaceful walking paths. Bring fidget toys or sensory tools that help ground your child. Practice breathing exercises together. Even just 10 seconds for deep breathing can help reset the senses. Talk about sounds in advance. Let your child know what to expect and reassure them they can ask for breaks at any time. Try playing a fun I Hear game together. Turn on their favorite song and have a little dance party. Pick out a noise making toy or instrument from the park. If they're wearing earbuds or headphones, gently encourage them to remove one at a time to start tuning into the sounds around them. Some attractions include sudden, loud, or intense sounds like rider screams, roller coaster noise, themed music, crowd chatter, fireworks, or train bells, which can be overstimulating for some guests. You might want to consider avoiding these attractions. Attractions with gentle soundscapes and less surprise or crowd noise are often more enjoyable for individuals or children who are sound sensitive. Consider trying these attractions. As always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the last video.